today I'll be showing you how to do a JB perm and an AA perm. So first we're going to be starting with a JB perm. So you go on your right, so you put it up to the side left, down, and then you're going to move the front face where there's a number 5 to move it up, and then you go up to the side, down, and then you push this area to the right side, and then you go push the right area down, and then you move the front face to the position that we first had it, and then you put your right hand thing up, and 2 times put the area that puts your left side to right, you push that to the right side, and then you push the place that has the white pair here down, and then you have a JB perm like this. So you have two blocks, and then you have the headlight area solved, and then you just have this 2 blocks, and over here 2 blocks. And faster would be like this, and then so if you do it on the left, it would be like this. So now AA perm, so you're gonna want to put it down to the yellow side, and then your left hand, you put the left area down twice till you have a yellow area on the white area on the yellow, and then you put this area 2 times like this, and then up to have a block here to this side, and then you go down from the left side, and then do the flick 2 times again, so it makes this pair, and then push this up to make a pair here, and then put this area, insert it to here, and then over here you have a pair, so you push it up again. So you would have to do it again until you have these 2 headlights not solved until here, and then there's 2 big chunks over here that you leave, and then faster would be, and then you would finish it. Thank you for watching. Please support my channel, so please subscribe and put a thumbs up.